How many projects can you have in Asana? Have you ever wondered if there's a limit to the number of projects you can create in Asana? It's a question that's come up for many of us who use this popular project management tool. Let's dive in and find out. Asana is a fantastic tool for organizing and managing projects, tasks, and teams. Its flexibility and versatility have made it a go-to choice for individuals and businesses alike. But when it comes to the number of projects you can create, there's been some confusion. Some people have heard rumors about limits, while others have wondered if there's no cap at all. Answering the question, the short answer is, there is no hard limit to the number of projects you can have in Asana. You can create as many projects as you need to effectively organize your work. This is one of the many reasons why Asana is so popular. Its scalability allows you to adapt the tool to your specific needs, whether you're managing a small personal project or a large-scale enterprise initiative. Benefits of having multiple projects. While there's no limit to the number of projects you can create, it's important to consider the benefits of having multiple projects. Breaking down your work into smaller, more manageable projects can help you improve focus. By concentrating on one project at a time, you can avoid feeling overwhelmed and improve your productivity. Enhance organization. Multiple projects can help you structure your work and keep track of deadlines and milestones. Facilitate collaboration. Asana's project-based structure makes it easy to assign tasks, track progress, and collaborate with team members. Best practices for project creation. To make the most of Asana's project management capabilities, consider these best practices. Create meaningful project names. Choose names that clearly describe the project's purpose and scope. Use clear and concise descriptions. Provide a brief overview of the project's goals and objectives. Assign relevant team members. Add the people who will be involved in the project and assign them appropriate roles. Set realistic deadlines. Establish achievable timelines for each project phase. Utilize Asana's features. Take advantage of features like tasks, subtasks, due dates, and custom fields to organize your work effectively. Additional considerations. While there's no limit to the number of projects you can create, it's important to note that excessive project creation can sometimes lead to clutter and confusion. If you find yourself with too many projects, consider consolidating or archiving some of them. In conclusion, there is no hard limit to the number of projects you can have in Asana. You can create as many projects as you need to effectively organize your work. By following best practices and using Asana's features wisely, you can maximize the benefits of this powerful project management tool. If you're not already using Asana, I encourage you to give it a try. It's a versatile and user-friendly tool that can help you streamline your workflow and achieve your goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.